I'm Lily and I welcome you to Rolling Trademarks, your trademarks portfolio in one app. We all know that managing trademarks can be difficult, but with Rolling Trademarks you have all your trademarks information available 24/7, and since it's a cloud platform, you can use it anywhere. In Rolling Trademarks, you can manage registration applications, calendar with relevant dates, renewals, expenses, coexistence and assignment agreements, oppositions, proofs of use, documents, tasks, and much more. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a project and a trademark registration. Project is a menu that is very useful when you have more than one trademark. Imagine you're an IP agent and your client works with two different market segments like clothing and home textile. So within each segment you can have different trademarks and different registrations. So let's imagine that he is going to launch a new home textile collection and a trademark called Blue Textile. So let's create that project. Let's insert the information home textiles and search the account related to this project, in this case Burmester. Save, and now you can see that our project was created, and now we have to create a trademark related to this project. And the trademark we are going to create is called Blue Textile. We don't have the number yet, but I can search the account here. And now save again. Now that we have created our trademark, let's create a registration. And you can do that in the main menu, new registration, or you can do that inside the trademark that we have created. Here, create new registration and then insert the information. Blue Textiles European. And now we have the registration type, which will be a European trademark. And then choose figurative letters, for instance, and individual kind of mark. Now you can choose also an IP agent and the status, but now at this point we are, for instance, preparing application. Country will be the place where you want to do your registration, and since we have chosen European trademarks, we are going to choose here or search here the European trademarks countries, and now it is here. So let's save this information. You can see here all the details related to this registration, and you can insert more information, namely NIS classes, expenses, renewals, oppositions, and so much more information. And you have here a great feature. It is the path that shows us the progressive phases of this registration that changes accordingly to the dates that we have inserted here. You can see all your registrations in the main menu, and in there you have all the information related to your registrations. You can choose your trademark and also see registration types, expenses, status, and also renewal dates. Remember that you can see and manage all this information from multiple devices, making it perfect to work at any place and any time. It's an excellent tool for managing all your trademarks portfolio in just one app. If you want to see more, ask for a free demo and you'll see all the advantages on using this platform.